Hi everyone, we are here to do a Larimar pour in this holographic mold. I've mixed up 7 ounces of resin. I don't recall how much this mold takes. I might have too much, but we're gonna go with it. I'm using J. Diction 1:1 resin. It's the high gloss one in the round jug. I've divided amongst these cups evenly, so 4 cups. I'm using Octopus Fluids Resin Ink Green Apple. My colors are a little bright. I'm hoping for a bright Larimar pour. In the next cup, I put Octopus Fluids Resin Ink Smurf, and then I also added from Laura's Art Corner the Magnolia Shimmer. I'm hoping it doesn't mess things up, but I wanted some sparkle. See how pretty that is? Now, sometimes the sparkle just goes through the whole design, and I'm okay with that too. However, it does it. And then I have the tangerine. And last but not least, a gnocchi. And I put 35 drops in this cup. All right, so with this pour, we always do our white first. Let me just give it a final stir. And then just pour it in. And I do have to work kind of fast with what I'm putting in here. I am going to try to alternate it. So I'm a little worried that I'm not going to go fast enough, but we will see. I'm going to take the sticks out so that I can go a little faster. All right, so I'm going to start with the green. Then the blue. Look how pretty. Now the orange, which is a little out there, but it's okay. Little out there for color. Hope we don't make brown. Try not to dribble into the other colors. All right, looks like we're doing one more round. Hopefully they all make it in there. All right. Now, I debated whether to put a center. I do have this, and it's mixed up and ready to go. But you know what? I'm going to leave it alone. I'm not going to put a center in it. I generally like how the Larimar come out, and you could see the light through them, and the center kind of blocks that light. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to give it a quick shot of heat, get rid of any bubbles. And then we're just going to let it do its thing, and we'll come back when it's time to unmold it. All right, we're back. Let's check this out, see if we got anything cool. Looks super green on the back. All right. Oh, wow, that came out pretty. It's so funny that the blue and orange didn't really come through very much, but it's pretty. I like it.